Hi guys, it's Legionero. Welcome back to my channel. We are now in day 3 of our 12 days of DIY Christmas gift ideas. If you are new here, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. So today we are doing this really cute scrunchie. Now, I can't demonstrate on how it looks on your head because obviously, yeah. But yeah, we're making a really cute scrunchie. All right, so go ahead and grab your tools and I will meet you at the table. Okay, so what you're going to need, some fabric, some 1/4 elastic, some scissors, your ruler. You're also going to need a marking pen or a chalk roller, your iron, your ironing board, coordinating thread, and your sewing machine. All right, so I've already cut my fabric. You're going to need to cut a piece that's 20 inches by 4 inches, and you're going to need to cut 8 1/4 inch of 1/4 elastic. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is take your iron, give your piece a good press, flip it over to the wrong side, and your long sides, your long edges, you're going to fold them over about 1/4 inch and press. Right, after you do that, fold your piece in half with the right sides facing. I'm going to give mine another quick press just to kind of lay it down just a little bit. I need one of those things to put on my fingertips so I don't burn my fingers. So what you're going to do now, you're going to take this to the sewing machine and you're going to sew down those raw edges, right? And sew them at about 1/2 inch. Alright, so once you have it sewn together, that end, press your seams open. Fold your sides with the wrong sides facing all the way around and give it a good press. Alright, so you're folding everything together with the right sides facing. And give it a good press. Alright, so now you're going to take this to the sewing machine and you're going to sew around to close up these edges, but make sure you leave a small opening so you can add your elastic to it. Alright, so you're going to sew all the way around, leaving a small opening. Grab a safety pin or whatever you use to weed your elastic through anything. And then once your elastic is weeded, overlap it like this, just a little bit, and then zigzag across. All right, to hold that together. Then you sew up the opening that you left in your scrunchie. Alright guys, so now your scrunchie is all done. This would be a perfect gift for the little girls in your life. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope I gave you another great idea for Christmas gifts. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you tomorrow in day 4 of our 12 days of DIY Christmas gift ideas.